Yep. Yeah. We call it tea and beer, not teen beer, America. We really gotta explain everything. But we do it again. Come on. Totally fucking incredible for a second time. In 20 years I say that Gene was ahead of a rhyme, ahead of a dime with a body of sin and a mouth of a fucking impossibly hostile and cocky cherubim. Let it in, let it shine, won't. Afraid of the mind, don't shut it from it. I'm flooding the dry boats with 100 gallons of flow, but sinking it slow. So just when you're thinking you're floating, you be drinking and moat. I'm liquid, ubiquitous, Gene B everywhere. Like hemophiliac, silly to bleed heavy here. I'm levels over retarded like heaven making a degree of separation apart from the holy God. I'm making references wrong, singing is just words. If offended, then you step along into the curve and a rental plow into your splinter in all parts. And I laugh hard when I'm putting the splint in your heart. Try harder, but why bother? You'll never be fresh and clean, especially that's the key. Listen when you want relief, pressure, get your knees pressed up. And if you're drinking tea and beer, gotta pee, get up. Come on, try harder, but why bother? You'll never be fresh and clean, especially that's the key. Listen when you want relief, pressure, get your knees pressed up. And if you're drinking tea and beer, gotta pee, get up. Come on, spit up rich shit, kick up in dollars of rub. And then I follow it up, coughing cholera stuff. Hobbledy gibbledy go, and fuck if it's a word. Fliggle be wriggle be tap, nigga, I'm not concerned. See, I can burn you with gibberish, frivolous rap and turn you out like a curl in a permanent cap. Affirmative, earn that, confirmative, firm rap. Blurt back, then I hit you with a stern slap. And then gurneys come, and your attorneys run. But leave quicker than paternity, son. Remember, I'm your mama, fuck your daddy. You little pansy, I'm erratic, I'll buck the nanny. Huck the nose, chuck steak in the panties and clothes. Take it to the pound, let it roam with the animals out. Ho, bloody hell on the seat of a great woman indeed. It was just a hate to be fresh and stale. Come on, try harder, but why bother? You'll never be fresh and clean, especially that's the key. Listen when you want relief, pressure, get your knees pressed up. And if you drink tea and beer, gotta pee, get up. Come on, try harder, but why bother? You'll never be fresh and clean, especially that's the key. Listen when you want relief, pressure, get your knees pressed up. And if you drink tea and beer, gotta pee, get up. Come on. You know what tea and beer would taste like if you put them together? Not good. I'm willing to bet. But you know, I could do it. Only 'cause I'm fresher than you. And you are shit. Haha.